You lie next to her every night. Same bed, same routine. But it feels like she's a mile away. You love her. You've tried to be patient. Maybe even blamed yourself. And you wonder, is this just how marriage ends up? If you felt that slow drift from lovers to roommates, you're not alone. But you're not stuck either. This isn't a quick fix. It's a quiet path back to connection. And it starts here. Let's start with something real. Most couples don't become sexless overnight. It happens slowly, through exhaustion, stress, and distance that builds over time. And the longer it goes, the harder it feels to change. You might have tried being extra helpful, or romantic, or patient, but nothing really shifted. So you pull back. She pulls further. And now you're living like polite strangers. Here's the truth. Wanting intimacy doesn't make you needy. And wanting it with your wife, emotionally and physically, is not something to be ashamed of. It means you care. It means you're still in this. And that matters. You're not broken. She's not broken. But the connection, it's gone quiet. Let's talk about how to bring it back. Think of intimacy like a fire. When it burns low, it doesn't mean it's gone. It means it needs air, warmth, a few small sparks. Here's where most advice goes wrong. It pushes for sex before safety, before rebuilding the emotional foundation. The truth is, for many women, especially after years together, and desire doesn't just appear, it grows in the soil of connection, not pressure, not persuasion, not pity. So here's the reframe. You're not reigniting sex. You're rebuilding closeness, phase by phase. Phase 1, rebuild emotional safety. This means small positive interactions, laughing again, sharing moments with zero expectations. Phase 2, reintroduce non-sexual touch, a gentle hand on her back, a hug without reaching for more, showing her your touch is safe. Phase 3, slowly reawaken sensuality. That might mean open conversations, playfulness, or simply cuddling longer than usual. You're not forcing anything. You're inviting her back into warmth. Desire follows connection. This is the shift. You don't have to chase her. You can lead with calm, with presence, with patience. And that kind of leadership, it's powerful. So what now? You start where you are, not by demanding a talk, but by offering small moments of closeness. Make space for her, appreciate her, not to get something, but because she's still the woman you chose. And if there's tension, don't avoid it, but don't force it either. Say something simple like, I miss how we used to laugh together. I'd love to feel that with you again. No blame, just honesty. This path takes time. But it works. We've seen it. When a man leads with gentleness and strength, with empathy, not entitlement, a woman's heart often finds its way back. So if you're in that quiet, painful place right now, know this, you're not alone. And you're not stuck. There's a way forward, and you're already taking the first step.